If you have issues with Bluetooth on your Redmi A7 Pro, you cannot properly use your Bluetooth device, then let me show you what you can do. So first we're gonna go to settings, and in here we're gonna start by going to Bluetooth. So the first thing that we can do is we can simply disable Bluetooth. We want to turn it off. We're gonna also turn off our Bluetooth device, turn Bluetooth back on, and then turn your Bluetooth device back on once Bluetooth is enabled. And then, of course, you can see if your Bluetooth device is going to be connected. That is, if your Bluetooth device was paired with your Redmi A7 Pro already at this point, I mean in the past. If not, then of course you want to also use the pairing button, if you have one, to activate the pairing mode on your Bluetooth device, and then of course you can just wait for the Bluetooth device to appear on this list of available devices. If needed, you can also tap on refresh on the right side over here where we have the available devices text to refresh the list of available devices to make sure that your Bluetooth device can be spotted by the phone. Now, if you had a Bluetooth device connected to your phone, but now it doesn't really want to connect properly, like it connects for a second but then it disconnects, or it doesn't want to connect at all, even though it was connected in the past, what you can do is you can go to the Bluetooth device settings, and you want to unpair the Bluetooth device. Then you want to turn off your Bluetooth device, and we're gonna turn it back on. Now, if you have the pairing button, then of course you want to use it to activate the pairing mode. And then of course we want to try to pair our Bluetooth device again. So if you find your Bluetooth device on this list of available devices, you want to select it, and then just confirm that you want to pair. And hopefully it's going to work. But in case it still doesn't work, what you can do is you can make sure that your Bluetooth device is not connected to any other device. So if you have anything else near you that has been using your Bluetooth device, you might want to completely unpair the device from your Bluetooth device from those devices. And then of course you can try to pair one more time. But even if that doesn't work, you can simply factory reset your Bluetooth device. So you can do that, or actually before you do that, you want to make sure that there is no data of your Bluetooth device on your Redmi A7 Pro, so just unpair the device if you have to. But then you want to factory reset your Bluetooth device. Unfortunately, I cannot really tell you how to do that with your Bluetooth device, because every Bluetooth device has its own way of factory resetting or hard resetting. But once you do that, once you, for example, find like a user manual of your Bluetooth device, I'm sure there is going to be an instruction on how to hard reset the Bluetooth device. So be sure to follow that. But once you do that, once the Bluetooth device is hard reset, you just want to try to pair again. And last thing that you can do, actually two more things that you can do. One of them is you can go back to settings. Over here you can choose more connectivity options, and then you want to go to reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks, and Bluetooth. And unfortunately we cannot separate these things, so this means that if you reset these settings, you will reset all of these three settings. This also means that you will have to not only pair all your Bluetooth devices again on your Redmi A7 Pro, but also you will have to connect to all your Wi-Fi networks again, because they are going to be erased as well. But once you decide to reset these settings, if you do so, once you are done, you can just simply go back to Bluetooth settings and of course once again try to pair your Bluetooth device. And the last thing that I can also tell you to try is to simply restart your phone. Sometimes a simple reboot of Redmi A7 Pro can fix some of the issues with connectivity, so just give it a try, restart your phone and see if that helps. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.